Hey guys, so today I want to benchmark the Galaxy S4 Mini versus the Galaxy Mega 6.3. Now, these two phones should have about the same specs, like Adreno 305 GPU, the same dual-core processor. You can see that there's some things on the outside, like the S4 Mini here has a better display overall. But what happens when we run these through a Geekbench test with the software that currently is being on these two devices? Which one will get the best score? Are they gonna get the kind of like the same score, or who knows? They should get the same score, but who knows? So if you go to more and about device, we can see that we both have 4.2.2 Jelly Bean Boy on both these two smartphones, but let's try it out. So let's start off with Geekbench, and let's fire it up here also on the S4 Mini. Let's see here, Geekbench app. So you can see same amount, same processor, same memory, same operating system, and not same model of course, but are they gonna get exactly the same score? Who knows? That's why we're testing this. Because you never really know. Like, they are saying something over here, but what happens when we test them out? It would be fun if they would exactly get the same score on both, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I would say that S4 Mini is the boy who's gonna win here. Come on, S4 Mini, you can do it. You can win. You're smaller, you're tinier. Oh yes, the S4 Mini is pounding. Now, I think they could be because of the screen resolution, might be a little bit different. So a little bit higher here, 1925 versus 1873 on the Mega. Let's try out another app here. So 720, of course they do have different resolutions. That might be why we see a little bit of a different score here on these two devices. So 720p here, and then like 540 times 960 on the S4 Mini, which probably means that it has to render less pixels, which means that overall it will be getting a little bit of a better score. So the FPS seems to be around 15, going down, but it seems to be generally, most of the times here, it seems to be higher here on the S4 Mini than on the Mega phone, which is really Mega phone. I mean, it's huge. It's a big boy. I mean, it really is a big boy. Okay, so we got a score here of 3,985, almost 4,000 on the Mini versus 3,432. So a little bit of a difference, even though not super huge difference. And then you can see that when I did run this off-screen test, where they were actually running the test in kind of like in the same resolution, 1024 times 2048, both on these devices, I got 2119 on the S4 Mini and 2178, a little bit higher here on the Mega. So if you do run the off-screen test, then yes, the Mega is a little bit better. But most of the times when you will be running in the same resolution, you'll probably get a tiny bit of a better performance on the baby S4 Mini.